Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a bit of racing in the quarry. So this quarry has posted a clip on Insta, and I was just using some bushes and that mountain as a flag or gate, I guess. But today got a DIY flag that we made. So it's just a piece of copper tubing from B&Q. Got some of these, 1.5 of these grey. They're meant to be for like insulation, I guess, so you don't burn yourself if you touch it. So 1.5 of them, and then I've just got some white duct tape on it going up the length just to make it a bit easier to see. And then just some, this was from a gardening shop, just like some, whatever you call this material. And then it's just folded over and sewn across the top and a bit up the top so that it doesn't like fall off. And then this bit here is meant to be a chisel, but they did a few different sizes, so I just got the one that seemed to fit best. Put a bit of duct tape so that it's a little bit wider, and then that will go in there. This will go into the ground, and just a cheap mallet just to bash that one in. Yeah, so I'm going to make another course using the flag this time. I will make more flags and hopefully gates at some point, but I just wanted to make one just to test that it actually works before I spend loads of money on loads of copper piping that I'll never be able to use if it doesn't work. So yeah, I'm going to figure out a course with some of the bushes down here, mountain, and this flag wherever that's going to go. And I did use one of these rocks, but I might go a little bit further and go around a bush up there. But yeah, let's figure out a course and then we'll get racing. Last time I used the rock around there, but I'm thinking maybe this bush here, since it's not too close to the edge, but it's like a decent size. So I'll probably use that one. Let's just go have a look over here. But yeah, I've flown here before. Over there is where I did the dives. You can see the mountain from here. I've done a few videos up there. And then I did this video just on that little bit there. Alright, so I was going to put the flag right up on the top of that, but it's pretty sketchy to get to and it might fall off. So I'm just going to put it on this one that I'm on now. Okay, so I figured out a racetrack. I'm just going to use my not racing drone with the GoPro on it so that I can show the track instead of trying to point and be like, oh, around this way. So I'll just show the track, get comfortable a little bit with my GoPro drone, and then I'll get my racing drone out and try and see how fast I can do it. So flew absolutely terrible, it wasn't smooth or fast, but I think that's a really good course. That flag is so worth making. Like the bushes, I was at some points just like, where is the bush, which one is it? That thing, like as soon as I was around the other gate I could see it. Like it's just so clear in the goggles. So definitely going to make some more of them, they are really good. Alright, so I have to use the DVR footage for this one because I haven't got a GoPro mount that works for it yet. But that makes it lighter at least, so should be able to go faster. Switch over to this shitty footage and we'll see how fast I can go. flags are really good. I need to get more of them and make a proper racetrack. Maybe I can bring someone along, we can have a little race. But this drone, I absolutely love this drone. I love this one. This is great for freestyle, but this one's just so light. Like, I feel way more accurate racing with this than I do with that one, because I've raced with that a few times, but it just feels heavy, I guess because it's got a GoPro and it's not the lightest build. But yeah, this one's really good. Love this drone. So I need to get more races to go and practice my accuracy. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.